Hey YouTube, Nick here from X5 Overland. Today we will be trying to do a coilover conversion on Emma. Okay, so you can see the old coil spring in there right now. I just bought some cheap Amazon coil springs because I know that they will be better than these old 30-year-old blown out springs. Let's see if I can get you a better focused picture here. I cannot. Here is the cheap Amazon spring we will be putting in there. I gotta figure out how to actually put it in there because the mounts look a little different. Proto 1 here. Right now we're having a significantly hard time trying to get this nut off the top. And I still don't even know if I have a jack or any kind of equipment to get the lugs off this thing.
Don't show this is embarrassing.
So we found a jack. It's kind of small though. Luckily the car only weighs 2,000 pounds. So this should be fine. And we don't have jack stands either, so we'll probably just shove a brick down there. Cinder block with some wood. Brian's very impressed with backyard mechanicery.
Figure if it falls, push it off.
If it falls, he'll probably just go home.
My car's fine.
This jack stand might be a little bit unorthodox, but it'll hold the weight, won't it, Brian?
We hope.
This I'm just gonna keep the jack on there. Safety first. Cinematic shots of the tire coming off.
Oh my gosh. My cereal bowls are bigger than that. They've never even been taken down. They've never been resurfaced. When's the last time you washed your car, man?
I haven't since I bought it.
Ooh, there's monstrous spiders in there. You're gonna have to grab that one.
Monsters. Dude, no way. Oh, I already see a problem. Brian, that is at least 3 inches taller than this.
Did you buy a kit for this car?
I don't know. So folks, I'm glad we didn't take that apart just yet because it might not even work.
Turns out we got our C-car parts.
Yo, I don't know. Could it afford 3 inches less? Brian, let's put it in and drop this thing 3 inches. He's done it a million times. I don't think that's accurate. Try this at home, folks.
Wasn't bad.
Was it pretty terrifying though? Way more than you thought?
See, what I did before is I had my weight above it, so it was just a little pop. This I had no weight on it, so it popped around.
Great.
Don't show this genius engineering.
Did you get a good angle there? Alright, so here's where we're at. About an inch of clearance. I'll give you a good before and after here. Just by switching from one side to the other.
Big reveal.
Yep.
Getting a little low. Getting a little low. Oh, it's perfect.
Oh wow, that didn't settle down very much, did it?
No, it's gonna be a pretty stiff ride.
Oh, just one.
You got a little bit of tuck. Let's see if I jump on it.
Pretty
pothole.
Oh yeah.
Can you rub it? Ow! Did it rub though?
I don't know, my finger got crushed.
Here, get it. Yeah.
Got it.
Can you squish it? Squish it. No rubbing?
You might rub a little bit. Right there.
I mean, this is pretty heavy bouncing.
Yeah, I don't think that you would rub, really. On a normal road. Hey, nice flashlight.
This is how we work on cars in the dark.
Pretty bright.
I want to see how it looks.
This is really weird.
That's pretty low. Yeah, I'd say.